Hey there, navigators! Do you want to crush your college experience, but you're kind of stumped and you're kind of overwhelmed on what to bring? Well, don't worry, because Sarah has your back. Did you know that 28% of college dropouts cite lack of preparedness as their reason for dropping out? Now, I do not want you to become a statistic, so follow along to make sure you have everything. I'm Sarah Luna, and this is what I learned in college. I know exactly what you need to bring to college and exactly what you should just leave at mom's house. Today, I'll be talking about what I like to call the ultimate college survival kit. This is a list of the absolute essentials that you will need to ensure that you are both comfortable and ready to succeed in your new home away from home. So to start, the first thing that I recommend you have is a trusty backpack. But not just any backpack though. I recommend something that is durable with multiple compartments where you can store things of varying sizes and shapes. The backpack that I carried in college was the JanSport Right Pack backpack, which has actually upgraded significantly in recent years. This one has a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, a spacious main compartment, and an integrated water bottle pocket. Now mine was in a super cool galaxy pattern, but I don't think they make those anymore, so sorry. Nevertheless, there are 22 different colors and patterns to choose from, and you can go take a look using the affiliate link down in the description. Next up is an item that I have for all of my fellow organization lovers, or people that just need a little extra help with that. Keeping track of appointments, assignments, and social events can be a juggling act. A good wall calendar is your best friend in this case. Now you can use any wall calendar that you can find at your local office supply store, or you can use this really cute one that I found on Amazon. You can hang it on your wall, your fridge, or use it on your desktop. Again, the link to this product is in the description. Okay, so you probably already know that staying hydrated is non-negotiable in college. Drinking plenty of water is absolutely key to keeping your energy levels high throughout the day. That's why a reusable water bottle is an absolute must-have. Not only will it help you stay refreshed, but it's also a great way to reduce plastic waste. A fantastic option for you would be to use the Yeti Rambler 26-ounce reusable water bottle. It's vacuum insulated, stainless steel, and it's really easy to carry around from class to class because it has a really cute handle at the top. I know when I was in college, my school had filtered water stations that were sprinkled throughout campus. This gave students a really convenient option for refilling their water bottles all day long. Make sure you find out if your school has these, and if so, use them. One item on this list that you might have not thought about is a pocket flashlight. You never know when the power might go out, or you might need it while walking around outside at night, or, God forbid, your car might have a flat tire or a dead battery while you're away from home and you need to see in the dark. Make sure it's little enough to fit in your pocket, purse, or backpack, and also make sure that the light is bright enough. Even better, grab this roadside emergency car kit. Even if you don't have a car, it comes with some other cool essentials that you will need while you're at school, like a tiny first aid kit, a box cutter, flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, and gloves. And you can buy it at a pretty reasonable price. You can grab this specific kit using the link in the description. Here is a list of some other things that you will need while you're at school. Of course, you're going to need your laptop or tablet. You're also going to need plenty of notebooks and pens for all of your classes, a power bank for your phone, your favorite noise-canceling headphones, an external hard drive or USB flash drive, a pocket stapler, a hole punch, scissors, highlighters, index cards, sticky notes, healthy snacks, and a snack bin to keep them close by during study sessions, and supplies for your favorite hobbies, such as craft supplies or your favorite video game console with a smart TV, of course. Also, don't forget laundry detergent pods, cleaning supplies, and dorm room decorations. It's also a really good idea to find out if you can bring appliances like a microwave, a mini fridge, an air fryer, a rice cooker, a crock pot, things like this. These appliances will make your life so much easier when you're trying to eat after class and during those late night study sessions. And of course, don't forget your personal care items. I hope this video gave you a good starting point as to what you need to survive in college. If this video gave you value and helped you out, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy navigating!